on 7-2.
G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The cold outbreak has now spread across all of Queensland and the recovery will be slow. Over the next few days, warmth and cloud cover will gradually return to the state, starting in the far north tomorrow, then spreading to the southeast by about Tuesday. Last night was decidedly freezing, with Rocky and Emerald down to 4 degrees this morning. Gladstone and Yeppoon hit 5 and Billawheeler -1. Tops today were mainly in the low 20s. Let's look at the satellite loop now. It's not often we see such a perfectly manicured low pressure system in the upper atmosphere with an unbelievable swirl looking like a black hole centred over New South Wales. It's the source of the cold weather, and some of that cloud is still across the southern part of the Downs. But once it blocks out the sun, it really does make it feel very cold. In the north, we never really got a true clearance, and that cloud has actually obliterated the sun today, also making it feel quite cool. On today's chart, we can see the surface part of the low pressure system, remember it's three-dimensional, is now moved off the New South Wales coast, but it's still got a vigorous front attached to it, and we're still getting the southwesterlies in from behind it, and that's a cold wind, and it's dominating the state now in front of this next weak high. On tomorrow's chart, the high moves a little bit further east, splits into two pieces. The low is still there. Almost no wind with so few isobars. On the outlook chart, the ocean breeze starts to come back onto Queensland, raising nighttime temperatures and bringing back the cloud. Now the latest from the BOM, boating forecast for Capricornia waters, south to southeast winds just 10 knots or less tomorrow, tending more easterly on Sunday, but no stronger. And then Monday still east to southeast, maximum 10 knots. As we move away from the new moon, our tidal peaks will get smaller and later. This weekend we've got low tide at dawn and dusk and a high tide somewhere in between. The Capricornia district forecast, some inland frost followed by a sunny day. Gladstone 23 degrees, Rockhampton cold at 5 tonight but warm at 25 tomorrow, 2 to 24 for Billawheeler and Yeppoon 22. Central Highlands and Coalfield, some early frost, a sunny calm day. Emerald 4 tonight, 24 degrees tomorrow, Claremont 1 to 25 and Moranbah 26. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, days warming up very quickly this weekend, but nights will stay cold until Tuesday with much milder and cloudier weather predicted for the second half of next week. Let's finish the week with a happy rainbow photo from Alan McKenzie sent to us last month. Rainbows are one of the most visible examples of the wave nature of light proposed by Isaac Newton to explain the dispersion of colours. Have a lovely weekend. Hope you get some warm sunshine to thaw out. And now it's back to the team.
Yeah, good on you, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Well, that wraps up the week. Enjoy your weekend.
Just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app and, of course, catch up on our page 7news.com.au. From all of us here, have a great weekend. Good night.
Good night.
Tonight on 7 News, the grand plan for the 2032 Olympic Games in Queensland. The Brisbane bid in the box seat.
The crackdown on